Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video is going to be the best cheap or affordable natural hair products in my opinion. I like to use the word cheap. I've learned through YouTube that y'all don't like the word cheap, so we're gonna go with affordable. But like, what's wrong with saying cheap? To me, it's the same thing because I consider myself to be a cheap person, but y'all be like, no, it's frugal. So like, the best affordable natural hair products. But in my mind, I just love cheap products that work. So we're all here for the same thing, okay? Let's just dive right in. Over the years, I've tried several good products that happen to have a low price tag. So most things on this list are less than $10. I have two things that are $12, but like, you probably get it at Walmart or somewhere on a sale for under $12 as well. So the list, honey, is good. And it's a wide variety of things. So let's go. The first thing on this list should come as no surprise to any of you, and that is the African Pride Pre-Poo. The African Pride Pre-Poo is definitely near and dear to me because it's like $5 and I really like it. I feel like my hair loves it. The results are great. It has good slip. When I rinse it out, I feel a difference. I'm not someone that always pre-poos, but I have a few pre-poos that I use when I do it. But the African Pride Pre-Poo is just, for the price, I feel like nothing compares. $5, crazy. Next, I have the Maui Moisture Curl Quench shampoo and conditioner. You can find this product, both of these products, for $8, less than $8. I've actually purchased them from Walmart for like $5 something on a sale one time, like, and my hair adores them. Like, it softens my hair, it cleanses, moisturizes, all of that good stuff, and literally less than $8. I've tried quite a bit of my moisture products. I don't like all of them, but this line, the Curl Quench line, is my favorite from the brand, and the only one that I really still reach for to this day is that brownish orangey bottle. $8? Like, come on now. Like, what are we talking about here? And it works. Everything on this list I stand behind. Everything on the list I feel like works really, really well. Then I have the Head and Shoulders Royal Oils shampoo. It's $7 with taxes and everything like that, and it is great. I used it this week to do a affordable wash day, and I was reminded how much I love the product. Like, it is so good. It cleanses the scalp. It makes the scalp feel good if you have like itchiness, dandruff, stuff like that, irritation. After a style, it's great because if your hair is really dirty, had a lot of buildup, it'll just take care of it. It has apple cider vinegar in it. Like, I just have nothing bad to say about it. Then I have the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Creme or Cocoa Cream. I'm not too sure, but it's C-R-E-M-E. Their shampoo and conditioner. Those products, like that shampoo and conditioner, I haven't used it in a long time, but it is very moisturizing. If you want a moisturizing shampoo and a moisturizing conditioner that's affordable, those, I feel like out of all the things on this list, those are the most moisturizing and the most softening to the hair, and those are $12. So you can find those anywhere, Target, Walmart, whatever the case may be. 12 bucks, and they work really well. They also come in quite large sizes. Like, it'll take you a while to get through them. They're not really small. So definitely for the price, justifiable in my opinion. And the next four things on this list are from the same brand, and they're all less than $10, and they're just really good. And that's Texture ID. So I've only ever tried these products from the brand. So let me know down below if you're like a fan of them, you tried other things from them. But what I've tried from them, I genuinely love. So the first thing I have is the Coils Twist Butter, which is $9. I used that for today's twist out. I did very chunky twists, didn't really put too much effort in, and my hair is soft, moisturized, has a little bit of shine to it, feels great. $9. And then I have the Texture ID Coils Mask. I think it's called the Self-Heating Mask. It's $10. And I had a really, really great experience. So if I was y'all, I'll go to Sally's, test it out. You know what I'm saying? I feel like they work really well, especially for the price point, but they're just really good products in my opinion. Then I have the Texture ID 3X Moisture Conditioner. It's also $10. And slip, moisture, softness, all of the above. It's also a really great like 5-minute apply, rinse, done. Like it works in a short amount of time. You know, sometimes you have to leave things in for longer to feel the benefits, maybe 15, 20 minutes, half an hour, whatever case may be. But there have been times that I've applied this in like 5 minutes, took a quick shower, rinsed my hair out, and the hair felt soft. The last thing on the list is the Texture ID Detangling Shampoo. Fire. Fire. $10. I just feel like Texture ID is a great line. I don't really hear too much about it. I've heard people use the mousse a lot. I haven't tried it myself personally, but I do want to do some mousse twist out, so maybe I'll pick it up. I have the Pattern Beauty mousse that I want to try out for a twist out. And yeah, I've been seeing people really enjoying mousse twist outs. I tried one some years ago. I think I used the Lotta Body maybe. Wasn't in love with the twist out at all, but maybe I'll like it now. So I'm gonna try it out for you guys soon. The plan is to do it soon, so we'll see what happens. Let me know down below, what are your favorite affordable, cheap products? What do you love to grab for that is really affordable? I know there are some more that I haven't mentioned today, but these are the ones that I feel like for the price point, like it's not giving less than $10. Because sometimes you'll try a product that feels affordable and it performs like an affordable product. Other times you'll be surprised by how good it works, even though it's a really affordable product. I was battling with those thoughts while making my list, and I'm really happy with what I came up with. I'm really active on my Instagram and TikTok, blah, blah, blah. So you can follow me over there at KandidKinks if you are on those platforms. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Give the video a thumbs up on your way out, and I will see you in the next one. Are you guys enjoying KINKSmas? I didn't do it last year, so I was like, I have to do it this year, even if it kills me. So actually, I'm feeling really calm though, because I'm like prepping myself. So yeah, see you tomorrow.